increased rainfall activity continued over Goa on 4th of August as well. Yesterday, that means the time period between 8:30 a.m. of 4th August to 5th August, 8:30 a.m. IMD Goa recorded around 6 stations exceeding 6 centimeters of rainfall. That means rainfall in the category of heavy rainfall. Out of that, 2 stations reported 11 centimeters of rainfall. 2 stations reported 10 centimeters of rainfall. The highest rainfall recorded was at Perne, which actually crossed 20 centimeters. There it was recorded 250 mm, that is 25 centimeters of rainfall was recorded at Perne in the past 24 hours, and that is the highest rainfall in this season till now recorded any station in a span of 24 hours. Now other stations such as Ponda and Sankli recorded 11 centimeters of rainfall. Valpoi reported 10 centimeters, Kerpem reported 10 centimeters, Anji reported 6 centimeters. So like IMD had forecasted in the last week of July, a low pressure region has formed over Bay of Bengal, which is actually increasing the rainfall activity and also the wind over Goa region. That system is expected to move westward in the coming days, and it will be there moving till around 7th of August. So we can expect the rainfall activity as well as the wind activity to be there up to 7th of August. There will be slight reduction in wind speed from around 7th. The rainfall activity as intense like yesterday is going to continue for 5th of August as well as on 6th of August. We are expecting very heavy rainfall to take place at 3 or 4 locations over both districts of Goa, and there is even possibility of rainfall exceeding 20 centimeters to occur at 1 or 2 places over the districts of Goa. So the orange colored warning continues for 5th as well as 6th of August. Now from 8th of August onwards, there is expected reduction in wind as well as rainfall activity. Now when we say reduction in wind and rainfall activity, that doesn't mean that the rainfall activity is completely going to cease. There is heavy rainfall, that means rainfall exceeding 6 centimeters expected even from 8th onwards. We would request that public be updated from the latest information from IMD in this regards, because there are again weather systems being formed over Bay of Bengal. So we are expecting rainfall activity to continue over Goa, even though not as intense as it was in the past 2 days, and as it is going to be on 6th of August. Now, as the rainfall activity is there, along with that the wind speed also is there, reaching up to 40 to 50 kilometers per hour, and sometimes even reaching 60 kilometers per hour. So like I mentioned, the wind speed is going to be there till around 7th of August. So as rain and wind are going to be there for about 3 days, we request that public who are staying near vulnerable areas of weather disaster, they should be taking precautions. Then fishermen are requested not to venture into sea on 5th, 6th and 7th of August, because the wind is going to be up to the speed of 60 km per hour along the coast. After that, there is no warning within 75 kilometers from the coastal line, but beyond 75 kilometers, such as the coastal regions of Kerala, Karnataka, Gujarat, and even coastal regions from Goa, which are beyond 75 kilometers, are going to experience a strong wind. So fishermen going to those regions should be taking precautions. Now, the total cumulative rainfall over Goa has crossed 100 inches today. Now it stays at 101 inches, which is 21% higher than the normal value for this period up to 5th of August.